Geometry for proficiency. A square patch of a sheetrock has a perimeter of 10 feet. Which measure is closest to the length of the diagonal? Okay. Perimeter. Perimeter of what? Of a square, right? With a perimeter of 10. Talking about a square. Basic thing, 90-degree angles, and all its sides are the same. Let's call them A. Okay. The perimeter in geometry, as you guys learn in your kindergarten, is the sum of all its sides, or imagine walking along the figure and adding all these lengths, right? Sum of all its sides for a square is going to be A plus A plus A plus A, which is 4A. Well, 4A is equal to 10. Okay? We also remember that diagonal in a square will divide my square into two triangles, which are not just ordinary triangles, they're right triangles, and more than that, they're right isosceles triangles. Okay? And in a right isosceles triangle, one of our special right triangles, okay, your diagonal here from the square is nothing else but the hypotenuse in that special right triangle, which hypotenuse is always side square root 2. Okay, so your hypotenuse in a 45, 45, 90 triangle is always side square root 2. Well, let's find the side first. Okay, and how to find the side? Divide everything by 4 in here, because I know perimeter is 10, so my side is going to be 5/2, and I will leave it like that. Okay, now I have to find the length of my diagonal. Diagonal is going to be side square root 2. Well, side is 5/2, right? Plug it in. Your diagonal is going to be 5/2 square root 2. Okay? Well, 5/2 square root 2, 5/2 is what? 2.5 multiplied by square root 2. Is this going to be 1.8? Well, first of all, let's say square root 2 is greater than 1, right? No, it cannot be 1.8. It has to be greater than that. Can be 14.1? I don't think so. That's too big, right? Can be 4.5? Well, I believe not, and I'm sure that is not 4.5. Better be 3.5, okay? Because square root 2 is definitely less than 1.5. Okay, you guys, how can you find that? I mean, remember, what is 13 squared? What is 14 squared actually? 14 squared is actually 169. Well, 1.4 squared is going to be 1.69. But what is 15 squared? 15 squared is 225, which means 1.5 squared is 2.25. So the value of square root of 2 is definitely somewhere between 1.4 and 1.5. So it'll be 1.41 whatever. Okay? But now if you multiply 2.5 by 1.4, and one easy way is to keep that 2.5 as 5/2, let's say times 1.4. What is the answer here? Well, 2 goes in 1.4, 0.7 times, right? 5 times 0.7 gives you 3.5. All right? And this is an approximation, but I will know for sure that the answer here is 3.5. This is it. Thank you.